I need another baby. Okay. My lunch is here. Peppered shrimp and rice. And Tyler is already beginning. He's been eating. This is Tyler's food. And baby's having duck. This one has been delivered. Wow! Look, there's another one. Wow! His grandpa got him another gift yesterday, last night when he was sleeping. So he wasn't awake for it. Wow! The Messi! Papi! I love you! And he got pants. He got pants. And he got, well, he got 2 shirts and 2 pants. Wow. And that's another nice shirt. I love this. Ooh. Hi, Fabs. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. Papa gonna give you a happy. Here. What's wrong? Papa gonna give you happy. It's okay. It's okay, my love. Give mama a kiss. Say good morning. How are you? Then you say hi. Hi. How are you? Hi. Give them kisses. And to give them bisou. Bisou. Bisou, bisou. It is Sunday and it's a little bit chilly. As you can see, baby's here under blanket. It is very, very cloudy outside. Let me show you guys what outside is looking like. That's it. So we woke up this morning and we're chilling because we are going to head out in just about 2 hours, and Tyler wants to jump. If you jump, you're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. We're heading out in just about 2 hours because we have a lunch date with my father-in-law and his other half. So we I think he's coming to pick us up and then we're going to head out. So I am actually going to start to get myself ready because I have to get myself ready, get Tyler ready, and by then it should be 2 hours. Say bye. Bye. Later. This boy is so grown. Look at him. It's crazy how grown he's becoming. I need another baby. Okay? I need another baby. Tyler is growing up too fast. I can't take it. I can't take it. I need my baby back. Look at these two. Aww, give Papa a bisou. Aww. Aww. He's so grown. Oh, the love. So much love. Oh. He's so grown. Watch her. No. No, T-Bear. You have to come give Mama love too. Yeah, I love you. Mama. I love you. Mama. Yes. Yes, that's Mama up there. You showed me the picture. Papa. Yes, that's Papa. Look how he's doing my face. Yes, Papa is up there too. And who else? Who is that? Papa. Yes, and who? Mama. Yes, and who? Tyler. Yeah, Tyler. You guys, we are ready and heading out to lunch with the fam. And this is my little outfit of the day. That's babe looking all sweet.
Happy? Good job.
That's Ma, that's Ty. Go baby. Go. See Papi, look. See him there? Go on. Go. This is what Papi Ty. Tell and Grandpa. Bonjour, Regine. My lunch is here, peppered shrimp and rice. And Tyler is already beginning. He's been eating. This is Tyler's food. And baby's having duck. This one is liver. We finished having lunch and strolling through the flower market, which is partially closed. They're cleaning up actually to close everything. Most of it has been closed from down there, and there's this little part leave. And Tyler is obsessed with flowers. Come on, yes, flowers, let's go. Come on, flowers, go fetch Papa. Bird! No, don't run him down. Come. Go on. Go. Go, baby, go. Papi's behind you. Wait for me. Night night. Say night night. Bye. Bye. Tomorrow. You guys, I'm gonna put this little guy down for the night. His time is officially up, right? You had a long day? You're tired? Look at him. Give Mama a bisou. I love you. Ow. It's the name of the book. Hey guys, I the in-law is gone home, father-in-law is gone back home, and it's just back to us.
Just you and I.
It's just you and I.
Yeah.
It's just us, you guys. It was good. It's always good having the father-in-law here. It's always good having him here. It's always good time. And Tyler enjoy his grandpa. He love his papi. You can't tell him anything about his papi. So yeah, we got back home. We had dinner and put Tyler down for the night. And now we're going to end the vlog. So I'm going to go ahead and give you the Jamaican expression for today. And the Jamaican expression for today came from a subscriber. She asked me to do this one. Kiba your mouth. If you hear a Jamaican says, "Girl, kiba your mouth."
Kiba your mouth. Why are you laughing? You need to say it first and laugh after. Because I can't share the laugh.
It means to shut up, or you're to keep a secret. If I say to babe that, "Babe, I have a big ass," and don't tell anybody that I have a big ass.
Everybody would say,
shut up. Kiba your mouth.
Kiba your mouth.
Good way to use it. Say
Kiba your mouth.
Kiba your mouth, yes.
Okay, kiba your
Shut
mouth.
up or keep a secret. Don't say anything. Kiba your mouth.
Kiba your mouth.
Yes.
So,
what's the French expression or
well,
word?
I was reading stories today to Tyler, and he bring me this book. So this book give me the French expression for today. His name Comme deux gouttes d'eau. So comme deux gouttes d'eau is the French expression for today. Deux gouttes d'eau. Goutte d'eau is like water. You say water, not tears. How you call? How you call this in English?
Raindrop.
Raindrop. Okay. So goutte d'eau is mean raindrop. Or not necessarily from the rain or any water drop. So it means exactly the same. So if two persons look alike or two things look alike, you're gonna say they are like deux gouttes d'eau, like raindrop, or like, understand? So if, for example, you and your sister, you look alike, they say, team, they are like deux gouttes d'eau, comme deux gouttes d'eau. Okay, so these two boys, they are like deux gouttes d'eau.
Okay.
Say it.
Comme de goutte d'eau.
Right, comme deux gouttes d'eau. That's not necessarily a funny one, but that's...
It makes
that's
sense. Okay, I like that one. Alright, you guys, so there you have the French expression and the Jamaican expression for today. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications. And if you don't turn on your notification, go to our channel every single day, because we upload every single day and sometime on
weekend.
Yes, shoddy. All right, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, catch up and keep up with the fam bam. We love you guys, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys. Bye. We out.